Welcome to our channel FirstKey Home Solution. Today I have brought you a video that will enhance your knowledge of civil engineering. You learned in our previous video that what is the difference between oil-based and water-based paints. In this video we will learn about the importance of creating a layout, the most important thing before starting the construction. Why is a home's layout important? A well-designed home layout can have a significant impact on the overall satisfaction of its occupants, as well as the property's resale value. Some key reasons why a home's layout is important include functionality and efficiency. A well-planned layout can greatly enhance the functionality and efficiency of a home. It can ensure that spaces are used effectively, with ample storage and easy access to essential areas such as the kitchen, bathrooms, and bedrooms. A functional layout can also help to minimize wasted space and create a more comfortable living environment. Comfort and livability. A home's layout plays a crucial role in determining its overall comfort and livability. A well-designed layout can create a sense of spaciousness, even in smaller homes, and can help to ensure that rooms receive adequate natural light and ventilation. Additionally, a thoughtful layout can provide a balance between shared living spaces and private areas, catering to the needs of all occupants. Resale value. A home's layout can have a significant impact on its resale value. Properties with well-designed layouts are often more appealing to potential buyers, as they offer greater functionality, comfort, and aesthetic appeal. In contrast, homes with poorly designed layouts may struggle to attract interest and may ultimately sell for a lower price. Aesthetic appeal. The layout of a home can greatly influence its overall aesthetic appeal. A well-designed layout can create a sense of harmony and balance, with spaces that flow seamlessly into one another and architectural features that complement the overall design. In contrast, a poorly designed layout can result in a disjointed, unattractive living environment. Key takeaways. In conclusion, the layout of a home is a critical aspect of its overall appeal, functionality, and value. A well-designed layout can enhance the comfort and livability of a property, while also boosting its resale value and aesthetic appeal. Real estate investors and agents, homeowners should carefully consider the importance of a home's layout when evaluating properties and making decisions about renovations or new construction projects. We will continue to bring similar information for you. For this you should subscribe and like our channel, so that you cannot miss any video.